Welcome student. In the last section we have to discuss about conversions of hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So again you have to discuss about start with the remaining conversions. Here next you have to discuss about hexadecimal to binary conversions. So here each digit of a hexadecimal number is replaced by a 4-bit binary numbers. So here each digit of a hexadecimal number is replaced by a 4-bit binary numbers. So here consider for example 1, consider the hexadecimal number BAD BAD base 16 to binary conversions. So here given BAD base 16, so here equal to, so B, the decimal value of B is 11, then the binary value of 11 is 1011. So here the decimal value of B, is 11, then binary value of 11 is 1011. So again, so the decimal value of A is 10, then binary value of 10 is 1010. So same again, so the decimal value of B, the decimal value of D is 13, then the binary value of 13 is 1101. So here therefore BAD base 16 equal to 101110101101. So here 1011, so 1010, so 1101 base 2. This is the answer. Taken another example, face base 16 to binary conversion. So given face FACE base 16 equal to we have to convert the binary numbers. So here F, so F is the decimal value of F is 15. The decimal value of F is 15, then the binary value of 15 is 1111. So then the binary value of 15 is 1111. So same as the decimal value of A, the decimal value of A is 10, then the binary value of 10 is 1010, then the binary value of 10 is 1010. So again the decimal value of C, the decimal value of C is 12, C is 12, then binary value of 12 is 1100, then 1100. So next again E, so the decimal value of E, so the decimal value of E is 14, then the binary value of 14 is 1110. So add these. So here 1111, 1010, 1100, 1110. So therefore face base 16 equal to 1111, 1111, 1010, 1100, so 1110, so base 2. So this is the result of face base 16 to binary conversions according to the standard table of decimal numbers and binary numbers and also hexadecimal values. So here B is nothing but 11, the binary number is B is 1011, same as the hexadecimal number F is the value of decimal number is 15, in the binary numbers are 1111. So this is the standard tables. So this is the, therefore face base 16 equal to 4 times 1 1010, 1100, 1110 base 2. This is the answer. Here next conversion is hexadecimal to octal conversions. In this conversions we include the 3 steps. Okay, the step 1, write the binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit. Write the binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit
This is step 1. Step 2, regroup them into 3 bits. Regroup them into 3 bits from the right side with zeros added if necessary. The right side with zeros added if necessary. Step 3 is convert each group into octal equivalent. Step 3 is convert each group into octal equivalent. For example, FAD, F-A-D, FAD base 16 equal to octal conversions. So here the decimal value of F is 15. The decimal value of F is 15. Then the binary value of 15 is 4 times 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So same as the decimal value of A is 10. The decimal value of A is 10. Then the binary value of 10 is 1010. So same as D. The decimal value of D is 13. Then binary value of 13 is 1101. 1101. Same as E. So E. So the decimal value of E is 14. Then binary value of 14 is 1110. 1110 according to standard table. So here, so therefore FAD base 16 equal to, so add this 4 times 1 1010 10 1101 1110. So in this step, according to step 2, regroup them into 3 bits. Regroup them into 3 bits from the right side with the zeros added. Right side with the zero added if necessary. So therefore says here regroup into 3 bits. So here 0 1 1 0 1 1, same as 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. So 1 0 1. So 1 1 1. So here 1. So here the right side with zeros added if necessary. Yes. So add the zeros. So 0 0 1. So in this after the regroup into 3 bits, we'll get final octal numbers are 110 is nothing but 6, 011 nothing but 3, 011 nothing but 3, 101 is nothing but 5, 111 is nothing but 7, 001 is nothing but 1 according to standard table. After getting the octal numbers, we group together, then put base 8. So therefore FAD base 16 equal to 175336 base 8. This is the answer.